Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader on XAU. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. If you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, and many more. So let's get started. I'm extremely sorry I could not bring the video earlier because there's a problem with the YouTube studio. Okay, I could not upload videos. In fact, YouTube was not opening up. So as a result, I could not upload the video. You can still see that the page is loading. So I'm not sure whether I'll be able to upload the video on time or not. Let's try. So this is our gold chart. Instead of 4 hours chart, I am on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, today you can see that on the left hand side, I have got few levels for you. Keep in mind, today is a big day because NFP, non-firm payroll, is coming up. And as we all know, market gets crazy, market gets volatile when the news comes out. See, 7 hours left for the non-firm payroll. So be careful with the USD pairs. Not only gold, any USD pair. Okay. So as of now, market is trading at 1934. This is the current market price here. So as you can see that right now at this moment market is going down. Okay. So if you have a sell position, be on the sell position. But as we all know, the trend is the most important thing in the market, and the trend of gold is very much towards the upside because of fundamental factors, the Russia and Ukraine, and technically also. So overall the trend of gold is very much towards the upside. So if we consider all the factors here, taking a buy position is the best thing to do now. Taking a sell position, yes, if you have got considerable experience, if you have been scalping for a couple of years, then you can take a sell position. But if you're new to the market, you have recently started trading, then buying at dip, जब नीचे आएगा तब buy करना है, is the best option for you. Not only best, also the safest option for you. So for the chart of gold, I have few levels. First important level is 1929. Okay, 1929 is an important support for the day traders only. Keep in mind, this is not a very strong support. Okay, normal support for day traders. If market comes down to a level of 1929, observe the market and see. If price bounces from 1929, well and good, take a buy. Second level is 1923, this support. 1923 is another support for day traders. There's a good chance that if price comes down also, we can see a good bounce. If price tests and bounces, go for a buy. So these two are important levels for the day traders. Then we have 1915 to 1917 to understand the level of 1915 to 1917. We need to go to the higher time frame. Let me take you to the 4 hours chart. I am a very much fun-loving person. You always see a smile on my face. See, this is our level 1915. Okay, 1915 to 1970. This can be another support for the chart of gold. This is a good support. We can expect a good bounce. 1929, 1923 are normal levels. Okay, more or less good chance of market bouncing is 1950 and 1970, and then we have 1890 to 1880. These also are two levels for the market, but keep in mind that these two levels are far away from the current market price. Okay, but still I'm mentioning these levels because today NFP is there. As we all know, gold is crazy. So if price comes down to this level, then definitely we can hope for a bounce. Do not take a sell position. Okay, do not take a sell position under normal market circumstances. Okay. If see, we all know it very well that this is a news driven market. News pura chala raha hai market ko. Okay, so if you see that any news comes out, and it is driving the market down, then you can take a sell position. But without any news, okay, without any without any news or without any fundamental factors, do not take a sell position in this market. Taking a sell position is very, very risky. Okay, so NFP, be careful, my dear friends. Again, I'll say that this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please use proper analysis and strict risk management, because see, this is your money, hard-earned money, it's your capital, so it's your duty to protect it. Please use proper analysis and take your decisions wisely. Okay, so let's meet tomorrow then. Be careful. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.